Hello everyone, I hope you're doing amazing. Thank you for tuning into our channel and watching our videos. This single-story Gilbert, Arizona home is glamorous. It features 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, just over 1,900 square feet, a 3-car garage, and a built-in barbecue. It also has a spool. And in case you're not familiar with the Arizona lifestyle, a spool is a cross between a spa and a pool. Boy, do they come in handy on those hot Arizona days. Not too shabby to have on those beautiful Arizona nights as well. My name is Sean Rogers, the lead of the Mr. Rogers Homes team, and we would be happy, actually honored, to assist with all of your Valley of the Sun real estate needs, be it buying and or selling, renting, investing, upsizing, downsizing. If it's Arizona real estate, we have you covered like a brand new roof. Okay, let's enjoy the tour of this glamorous single-story Gilbert, Arizona home. I hope you're enjoying the tour of the single-story Gilbert, Arizona home so far. It has so many amenities. I wish I could remember them all. Good news, we listed them for you below. More good news, if you're thinking about relocating to the Valley of the Sun, see the first comment below, click the relocation link, it will take you to our website. From there, we will send you via email a beautiful and free Arizona relocation guide. Did you know that Gilbert is one of the most popular cities in Arizona? It has golfing, shopping, entertainment, dining, playgrounds, you name it, it has it. And if it doesn't, it soon will. Did you also know that Gilbert, Arizona is one of the most popular cities in America? Go ahead, fact check that. I'll wait. I knew that verification wouldn't take long. Okay, if you're interested in taking a private tour of this beautiful Gilbert, Arizona home, please reach out to us ASAP. Until then, please take care. God bless America. Talk to you soon.